Hey guys, this is Michael Cantrell, the CEO of Nexgen, outside of our studios in Costa Mesa, California today, talking about our Nexgen Quick Detail Spray and Clay Bar application. Many of you have been asking, what do I need to do to prepare my car's surface before I apply my Nexgen ceramic spray? The answer is always the same. You need to do a full car wash, and ideally, you need to do a clay bar application using our Quick Detail Spray as a lubricant to remove all of the contaminants, dirt, and debris that are embedded into the body and the paint and the clear coat of your car. Once you've removed all that debris, then you can apply our ceramic spray and get the ultimate layer of protection that you're looking for. Right now what I want to do is just take you through a quick tutorial of how we do the clay bar detail using our ceramic spray and a clay bar. As you can see right now, our bottle of Quick Detail Spray is just sitting on the hood of this Ford Raptor. The reason that it's not moving is because there are contaminants embedded into the clear coat of this Ford Raptor. By using our Quick Detail Spray as a lubricant along with a clay bar, you can remove all of those contaminants, freeing up all that debris and getting it off of your car's clear coat surface. Once you've done that, then your surface is prepared and ready for ceramic spray. Watch as I just shoot a little bit of this on. You want to be liberal when you're using this as a lubricator for the clay bar. Then you're just going to take your clay bar and you're going to begin to work it into the hood. Now what this is doing is it's grabbing all those contaminants and removing them from the hood while you're doing this. And you'll begin to notice how the clay bar moves a little bit more smoothly over certain areas than it does over other areas. That's because you've begun to remove the contaminants in that area. I'm just going to do the half of this front section of the hood so we can begin to see the difference. And again, I'm just going over it and over it and over it with this clay bar. When I pick this up in a second, even though this car looked clean, you're going to be able to see the debris that's beginning to come into that clay bar. You can see all the dirt and the debris that's coming into that. When you're using a clay bar, all you want to do is then simply fold it over, mash it back together, and then you can keep using it. You apply a little bit more of our Quick Detail Spray as a lubricant, and then you begin to work that clay bar back in again. Just like that. What you're doing right here is grabbing everything that is stuck in the micro fractures in your car's clear coat. You're picking it up and you're removing it. Once you've gone through this process and you feel like there's nothing grabbing when you're using the clay bar, then you're ready to wipe it off. Now that we've finished doing the clay bar detail on this half of the hood, you want to go back through and use a microfiber towel to get off all of the excess Quick Detail Spray. You're simply going to wipe it in the same manner that you would our ceramic spray, flip it over to the dry side of that towel, and wipe it out. And once you've done this, you're going to immediately begin to notice the difference between the side that you've done the detail on and the side that hasn't been detailed. The side with the detail, bottle slides right off. Side without the detail spray, bottle just sits. Next, we're going to apply our Nexgen ceramic spray. Because we've now done the detail, we want to get that spray right onto that hood, sitting as good as it is right now with no contaminants. You wipe it in. No set time, no wait time. You just turn around and you wipe it right back out. And what you're going to notice, if you come in close, the difference between the shine on one half of the hood versus the other is incredible. Quick detail with a clay bar and Nexgen ceramic spray, no product. Again, make sure that ceramic spray doesn't fall off the hood.